There are also functions intended for use with single characters. They can help you to classify characters according to their type. Now, to use these, you will need to include the ctype.h file, and here I want to go over the most common char functions that you're likely to come across. Each of these functions takes a char argument and it returns a non-zero value representing true or a zero value representing false, so you can see if the function has succeeded or not. Is_al_num, that tests the character to see if it's an alphabetic letter or a digit, that is a number. Is_alpha, an alphabetic letter. Is_blank, tests for a space or a tab character. Is_cntrl, that's a control character. Is_digit, a digit. Is_graph, any printing character except a space. Is_lower, a lowercase letter. Is_print, any printing character including a space. Is_punct. Now, this is a printing character that defines punctuation, but it will include characters that you might not normally think of as being punctuation characters. So in addition to things like commas and full stops, it will also characterize characters such as plus and minuses as punctuation. Then there's is_space, that's a white space character including things such as spaces, new lines and tabs. Is_upper, an uppercase letter. And is_xdigit, a hexadecimal digit. Here I've got a simple program that you can try out a few of these functions in. It's 06_char functions. This takes my string up here. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. And it calls the char types function here, and it tries to keep a count of the number of each type of character in that string. So digits, letters, uppercase, lowercase, spaces, punctuation, and for the sake of safety, anything that's unknown, anything I can't characterize using the functions. And all it does is it has a for loop and it goes through the string one character at a time, tests if it's an alphabetic character. If so, it then goes on to test, is it an uppercase or a lowercase character? Is it a digit? Does it count as some sort of punctuation? Is it a blank? And finally, is it unknown? And then it displays the results. So let me run this. And scroll up the top, this is what I see. So uppercase, lowercase, blank. Here I've got my first digit, a 2. And the rest is pretty obvious, blanks and lowercase letters. Another digit here. And finally punctuation at the end, and then it displays the totals right at the end.